So, hello and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I, Harshika Kasliwal, your anchor for today's session, would like to welcome you all to the day second of Ideathon 2.0, organized by Entrepreneurship Cell, Amit University, Rajasthan, powered by Finlander and co-powered by Capelots. Guys, mentorship mentorship is the key to unlocking each of our entrepreneurship skills. We all need someone who can guide us to the path of success, and mentors are the guiding light in the path of success. So now moving on, we have a brief introduction for our venerated mentors. So first of all, I would like to call Mr. Satish Gautam for his brief introduction. Sir, please.
Now, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very much.
Yeah, okay. Firstly, that I welcome all of you. So, I think how many participants are with us?
Sir, 50.
44.
Sir, some of them have not joined yet.
Some of them?
Have not joined yet the session. They are still joining.
Okay, no issue. So, firstly, may I know about yourself or some brief introduction? Actually, can you give me?
Sir,
Hello.
about Ideathon? Yes, sir.
Can you give your introduction?
Sir, mine?
I think sir is asking about the eCell and the concept of Ideathon.
Okay, so hello and good afternoon, sir. I am Bharat Nanwani, Deputy Secretary eCell AUR. So basically, eCell AUR is an organization which works for the awareness of entrepreneurship within the university. We are working as a bridge between the academia and the industry. So as on the voyage to that, we are continuing to organize such events which brings in together the platform which is for students and the industry people to come together and wherein the students can experience and peep into the insights of the startup world. And Ideathon is one of our flagship event. It is a 30+ hour event where all the participants come and team up here. They have a good networking session, and here itself they form their teams. And after forming their teams, they work on basically 4 other things: ideation, business model canvas, then there is a business model presentation, minimum viable product, and pitch. So these are the elements of Ideathon. The students were really delighted and they were really happy to have you back, sir. Last year in 2020, we had the Ideathon event in February, but this time due to COVID and the situation, we had to postpone it. So here we are again with our second chapter of Ideathon 2.0. Satish, sir, you're muted.
Please unmute.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Some of you actually have interacted earlier with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Me and Ayushi both were there.
Yes.
Okay. Very nice to see you again. So, so should I start this session?
Yes, sir. As of now, we'll be taking the brief introduction of all the mentors. After that, at 3:30, we'll be divided into different rooms for the mentoring sessions.
Right.
Yes, sir. The stage is all yours for the introduction.
Myself?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, myself, Satish Gautam. I think few of you actually that may be knowing about me, and as you told me that you have interacted earlier also. So I am the corporate trainer and basically the consultant to the industry and this corporates actually. So in my this professional way, actually, I used to interact with them, this young chaps, just to share our experiences. Whatever experience that I have earned during my this life, so it would be utilized in your life in the fruitful manner. So definitely, I am well confident that most of the participants would be benefited and they can convert their ideas into the reality and they can convert their dreams into the reality and hoping the things will be true in your future with your sustained and with your this determined efforts actually. So, okay. So we will have an interaction later on. Firstly, let them introduce other this mentors also.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. It's a pleasure having you on board. Now I would like to call Mr. Sumit Srivastav for his brief introduction. Sir, please.
Sure. Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for inviting METSL and all my fellow mentors. So very simple. My name is Sumit Srivastav. I'm founder of Startup Chowpal. And through this platform, I'm working with the startups across India, multiple startups. And we are helping the startups from ideation to execution to funding. That's it, not much more. And kuch bhi zyada chahiye, you can definitely go to LinkedIn. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call Mr. Saurabh Sahu. Sir, please.
Thank you, Harshika. Thank you, ECL team. I'm a part of ECL as well. So I started ECL back in 2013. I was a founding part and I graduated from Amity Mechanical Department. And after that, I stepped into the journey of entrepreneurship, started a couple of startups, and then currently I'm working with the government of Gujarat to promote innovation and entrepreneurship across the state. I do multiple other ways consulting to other government as well, government of India, a few programs for the government of India, and Northeast, the Assam government, Guwahati's and all those region. I am consulting government and promoting the policies. I'm also into the advisory board of couple of startups, and basically I take care of investment portfolios as well. So that's about me. And thank you for everyone for joining. Thank you, Isel, for inviting me.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a pleasure having you here. Now I would like to call Mr. Sameer Jaiswal for his brief introduction. Sir, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, thank you, Amity ESL, for inviting me. I am Sameer Jaiswal. I am one of the co-founders of a fintech company in Mumbai called SSB Innovations. And we have two startup technology platforms as well as apps called taxbuddy.com, which is already doing very well. And we also have a robo-advisory platform called FinBingo. I have personally developed and set up another app called Maya app, basically to help youngsters come into the entertainment industry. Okay, I see that recruitment in the entertainment industry was not done properly and it was very ad hoc. So that app went into Play Store about 2-3 months ago. Apart from that, I have also set up a company called Financial Market Leadership Insights in the UK. Basically for financial market training, okay, where we teach financial markets to whole world. I'm a student of SIIB, Symbiosis Institute of International Business, passed about 22 years back. And I have also taught there as a visiting faculty for 12 years. I'm a core product and entrepreneurship guy. Actually, all along my career have been playing some such roles. Thank you. I'm excited to be here today.
Thank you, sir. It's a pleasure having you. So now I would like to call Mr. Sagar Katwa. Sir, please.
Hello, everyone. I'm audible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yeah. So I'm Sagar. I have done my biotech from Amity Jaipur itself. And after that, I have close to 4 years of business development experience in life science domains. I was handling growth strategies, managing people, executive teams, and all of that. Meanwhile, I also had one of my entrepreneurial experience while I was in Amity itself. Later to that, after my corporate job, I have done a postgraduate program in innovation management. And currently, I'm venturing out into business design and service design related consulting areas. That's it.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call Mr. Aryan Singh. Sir, please. Yes.
Hi, everyone. First of all, thank you, Amity ESL, for setting this up and inviting me. And thank you to all the participants who are joining. I am into technology, particularly since the last 3 years, I've been into artificial intelligence. At my office, we have our office in Jaipur, and we've been working with a lot of startups. We've been making machine learning apps for them. And over the course of 3 years, we worked with many startups. You talked of the connect with bringing industry to academia. I've been a part of the national program to train college professors. My lab has an MOU with MNIT. So we've been having programs like that. And at the office, a lot of research projects as well as projects with other startups. So I used to make technology for other startups. Mainly, I've worked with startups from the Silicon Valley, America. I was there in 2020, and since last year, I've been in Dubai. Today, I'd like to talk about and discuss strategies on how teams can choose the right technology stacks, how they can get an MVP out. What are the strategies through which they can bootstrap things, and what, technologically speaking, what are the best solutions that are possible?
Thank you so much, sir. It's a really pleasure to have you here. So, ladies and gentlemen, Entrepreneurship Cell, Amity University, Rajasthan is really delighted to have all the experts on board. So now moving on to our mentorship session. So rules for the session are, you will be divided into different rooms, and one mentor and student volunteer will be there in each room to help you out. And you will be taking guidance from the two mentors, and you will be having 20 minutes for each mentor. Now, as we know that mentors are the path to success, so utilize it to make the most use out of it. All the very best, guys. Let's move to our mentorship session. Thank you.
So now the breakout rooms would be created, and each one of you would be placed in one breakout room, wherein you'll be getting a chance to interact with your mentor, and one student volunteer would be there for facilitation. So give me just 2 minutes and the rooms would be ready.
How do we join the rooms?
So you'll get a pop-up request, and
okay,
if once you accept that, you will be into the room.
Okay.
Ayushi,
Yes, sir.
how many teams will be there in each room?
Sir, one team at a time.
Okay. And total?
Sir, total 4 teams will be there. 2 sessions will be there.
Right. Okay.
So till the time we are going into rooms, I have my question from our mentors. So, sir, can you please tell us what are your expectations from these young entrepreneurs we have in this competition?
I would like to say that, I keep looking for good ideas and keep learning from everywhere. So I guess, even I get to learn something and go back. Some fresh idea.
Right. As rightly said by Mr. Samir. And my expectation is because it will create a buzz for the student startup and the campus, and the entrepreneurship ecosystem will be built so that the new talents come out of, and the new technologies and entrepreneurs can build a platform where they can utilize their potential and create some creative products. And that's how I think about this. At least एक ideation stage पे तो काम हो, फिर उसको जाके we all are there to support.
Very well, sir. I hope our participants meet your expectations. However, they are already very excited.
If any, I would like to announce if any idea is there which is ready with this something with MVP. So we can fund them. I can provide them funding support as a grant basis. So do let me know if someone is there with this MVP ready, so I can accelerate their growth, and I can transfer them for fundraisings.
Nikhil this side, sir. We have our MVP ready, and we also got early traction and revenue as well.
Definitely, Nikhil, please connect with me. I'll have a lot of funding agencies connected with us, and from grant as well, for the government of India's grant. So we can definitely.
For sure.
So right away we can support up to 30 lakh rupees if the something great is here. That is totally free money. You can take it, build your product, and multiply it 100 times.
Thank you so much, sir. This will be a huge help for our participants. And surely, if anyone who has the MVP ready, as sir suggested, so please do contact him.
Okay, so
Pop-up message is there, I guess.
yeah, I have sent the request to all the mentors and participants. I'll be sending it soon.
Should we join?
Okay, so
then?
yes, sir, please.
Okay, thank you.
Satish sir, I have sent you a request. It is a pop-up request for joining a room. Okay.
Also volunteers, you can also join with the mentors.
Okay, so volunteers, you have already, sorry, participants, you've already got your list, and in it, it is mentioned what time slot has been allotted to you. So kindly do not leave the meeting right now, because if you leave, you would directly land in here and not in the room, right? So kindly take care of that. People who do not have the first session right away, like 3:30 to 3:50, they can leave the session and they can join in whenever their meeting is scheduled.
Or they can stay here as well if they want.
I haven't received the message.
Who?
Harshika.
You haven't received it yet. Just a second, Harshika.
Harshika, you have the session with Satish Gautam.
Mr. Satish Gautam.
Done. Okay. Licensing officer सारे रूम में है ना? कोई बाहर तो नहीं है? Great. सर आपने ब्रेकआउट रूम क्लोज किए क्या? आयुषी दी आपने किए क्या?
No, not from my side.
Okay, the breakout rooms have been closed. Kindly do not interfere in that because it will create a fuss. I would have to.
Actually, it asked us to go back to the main session.
Right, sir. I guess there's a technical glitch.
No, it happens. We have to bear with that. I hope I'll get another pop-up, right?
Yes, sir. In 3 seconds.
Sure.
It's there.
Bharat?
I have sent you another pop-up. Kindly check the room request.
Yeah.
Moin sir, are you there? From IT?
Yes, I'm here.
Sir, kindly make Ayushi co-host. Miss Ayushi Agarwal.
I'm already co-host, Bharat.
Okay. So kindly take care of the admissions into the meeting, and I am distributing the rooms. Satish
sure.
sir, Sameer sir, I have sent you a request to join the room. Kindly accept, sir. There might be a pop-up.
Can you share me as well? Because I don't think I've received.
Just a second, sir. Okay, Saurabh sir is here. Satish sir, I have sent you a request. A pop-up request might be there to join room number 1.
Sir, you are on mute. Sir, you are on mute. Satish sir. Satish sir, you are on mute. Sir, kindly join the room number 1.
Anushka, are you there? Anushka, Yash, and Akash.
Yes, we are here.
Bharat?
Yes, who's that?
This is Anushka. Do you have to add us to the room? Allot the room right now?
Yeah, Anushka, I have already allotted you the room. Kindly join in.
No,
And
I haven't got any request. And
Yash Modi is from has joined from two different IDs. Kindly check.
Yes, I'm leaving one.
Okay. Satish, sir, you might have got a request for room number 1. Pardon, sir, you're not audible.
sir, you are on mute, Satish sir.
Okay, Shailendra is not here, and Ayush, I have assigned you the room. Out of room number 5. Gaurav, your teammates are not there. Apurv is not here, and Umang, I have assigned room number 5. Okay. So is there anyone who has the first session has not been assigned the room?
Hey, Anushka.
Yes, Bharat. Actually, I was in the room number 5, but
And
Sir is not there in the room, so I have left.
Bharat, I was in room number 6. I joined, but breakout session got started and I left from there. It was
Okay, I'll add you again, Anushka. No issues. You'll get a request for room number 5, and then you can join to room number 6 again.
okay.
But even I have not get any.
Okay, give me a second.
Bharat, even I've not allotted a room. I
Okay,
must be with the
Harshika
first.
is given room number 1, and Jayshree, you are
I'm in room number
listening
3.
for. Okay, Saurabh sir have also left
Bharat,
the room.
me too.
Okay, I'll check again. Just a second.
Yeah.
Satish sir, you might have got a request to join room number 1.
Yeah.
And Saurabh sir for room number 2. Oh, sorry, room number 3.
Room number 3.
It is, yeah.
Anushka. Yes, I haven't been allotted any room.
Anushka, room number 6.
I'm getting room number 6, yeah.
Yeah, my room number is 5. I am still here. Umang.
Umang, let me check. I've already allotted you room number 5.
Yeah, I'm in room number 3, and I believe Saurabh sir is already there.
Okay, Jayshree, I'll assign you room number 3 again. Just a second.
Hi, Apurv the side. I'm in room number 5.
I'm getting a request for room number 4, Bhaiya. Shall I join it?
No. Wait a second. You cannot directly switch the room. You want room number 3, right? Yeah,
Yes.
switched.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, is anybody left out? Kindly check again.
Yes, Srinil, room number 2.
Srinil, room number?
I haven't got any pop-up request.
2.
Also left.
Fahad, you do not have a session right now. Kindly check the schedule. So Nikhil, Sahil, Kartikeya are allotted already. Nikhil, are you there?
When I have my session?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give
Guys,
me a
there is
second
a
to
schedule
get you into room
shared
number
on
1.
the WhatsApp group. Please kindly check that schedule, the Excel sheet.
Nikhil, kindly join room number 1. Nikhil, do not leave the session. I'll send you a request to join room number 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Diksha, you are not there still.
Diksha, you
Bharat?
haven't accepted the request. See, once you get
No,
the request,
but
do not kindly leave the meeting, because it will
I've
then.
been getting a request for room 3 and I should be there in room number 4 with Aryan sir.
Done.
Yes, I'm got.
Okay, so anybody else is left out, kindly inform. You've
Can
got
you
the rooms,
confirm
right?
my room number?
Who's that? Ajinkya. Ajinkya, you do not have a session right now. Kindly check the schedule, everyone. If you have the session, only then you have to join this meeting. Others, I guess, all are allotted.
Our participant screen
Room 1 done,
sharing
room
is
2, room
disabled.
3, room 4, room 5, room 6, all done. Okay.
No, I haven't allotted a room.
Timpy, you do not have a session right now. Kindly check the schedule, please.
Okay, great. Check it.
Akash has joined right now, right? Okay, Akash, you too
Bharat?
do not have a session. Guys, kindly check the schedule once, and if you have the session right now, the first session, inform me, I'll get you to the mentor.
Bharat, our participants are allowed to share their screen with the mentors.
Yeah, they can. They have the
But
permission.
it is disabled.
Is it in our control?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can enable it. They kindly do that.
So are we allowed to leave this?
Yeah, you can leave and kindly check the schedule. And if you have the session, you can join it.
Okay, then the rooms will be allotted
Then only
after
you have
the
to join. Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Zoom is not at all convenient. Anushka Bhatnagar is here. Anushka, you were supposed to be taking mentorship
Anushka
from.
has joined for the 4th or 5th time. She is
Anushka, kindly do
continuously.
not leave the room. If you leave the room again and again, I won't be able to get you to the mentor.
So actually, I'm not able to hear you. That's why I left the room.
Okay, but if you leave the room, you would be kept out of the breakout rooms, right? You cannot directly join the breakout rooms.
Okay,
so.
And who is with
Anushka.
Saurabh sir? Anushka, Yash and Akash, only one member of your team is there. We can't do that.
Akash, I'll assign you room number 3 with Saurabh sir, and Anushka, room number 3. Done.
Yes.
Kindly check. Check the pop-up and accept it.
Yes. Akash is also okay. He has not joined yet.
Excuse me, Ashi.
Akash, kindly accept the invite. Okay, he's done. Great. People who do not have. Yeah, Kevin. You have a network glitch, I guess.
I guess me and my. Am I audible now?
Yes, you are.
Yes, Kevin.
Hello.
Yes, you are.
Yes, Kevin.
Me and my team has been allotted only one mentor. So we will be
It
allotted
is
another
because
one after that,
you got late.
or what?
Yeah, you got late to fill the preference form, and we do not have the slot empty.
Okay, no issues.
Bharat, kindly check the group for once.
All right. Abhimanyu has raised hand. Let me check. Abhimanyu, you have session with Sumit Srivastav, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Allotting you. Kindly do not leave now. Sumit Srivastava sir is in room number 2.
Nikhil
Okay, done.
has been- निखिल को सतीश सर के साथ
किसको?
Nikhil, he has messaged on the chat.
I am Karthik. I am the team member of Nikhil's. I have gotten the pop request.
Karthikeya, do not leave once you join the meeting.
Yeah.
Okay. Ayushidi, kindly come on WhatsApp chat.
Yeah. Komal and Prachi, kindly ensure the decorum over here. And Komal, I am moving you to our room. If you want to take screenshots, you can take. Okay.
How many volunteers do we have here who do not have a session right now? Prachi is there, Ayushi is there, and Komal, right? All three of you are free right now, right?
Bharat, Prachi is participant. Oh, sorry, Ayushi is participant.
Okay, Ayushi is participating, Prachi is free, Komal is free. Who else is there from the volunteers? Suyash, are you there?
Yes, Bhaiya, I am there.
Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 2 more people. Do we have a volunteer right now?
Prachi?
हाँ जी दी
काइंडली एंश्योर अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम या क्वेरी है एक बार चैट बॉक्स वगैरह में जो भी है आप हमें इन्फॉर्म कर दीजिए वैसे हम यहाँ पर है स्टिल यू कैन मैसेज इट ऑन द ग्रुप एज वेल तो आप एक बार यहाँ का देख लीजिए एंड वी आर चेकिंग आउट द रूम्स
मोइन सर मिस कोमल को भी को-होस्ट बना दीजिए
ओके ओके
ओके थैंक यू सर
other participants which have not yet session yet you can all prepare for your session or work on your ideas.
Bharat,
last 5 minutes are left for the people in rooms.
Hello, Bharat.
Yes, who is that?
Komal is not here. Then how can I make her co?
Okay. All right, sir. I'll get her joined. No issues.
She's in a room.
She's in
room number 1. I have.
She's in room number 1, right? She's in room number 1.
मैंने उसको move कर दिया है.
Okay, then once we come to the lobby, then I'll make her co-host.
Okay,
yeah.
Sir, is there any way that we can decide for who will be joining in which session after the break? Like, can we decide the breakout rooms in prior?
No, I don't think so. This kind of option is available right now.
All right, no issues, sir.
You are talking about, yeah. Give me a second.
Komal, we are making with the co-host.
Yes, Komal is co-host now.
Abhimanyu, you're supposed to be in room number 2. Why did you leave?
Actually, we are out of that room.
Okay, now you might have got the request. Kindly accept quickly. Last 5 minutes for participants in the room.
Bharat, so I can go into like different rooms now.
Yeah, you have been made the co-host.
Okay.
Hello, Bharat. I'm facing a lot of issue reconnecting to my room again. I'm again and again.
Umang, there might be a network issue on your part. Who's your mentor? Okay, Sameer sir. All right.
Yes.
Kindly join again.
I'm joining it again. I have.
Someone kindly ensure the connectivity of your network, please.
Okay. Hello. I have just came here.
Please repeat.
Umang, I have allowed you for the 6th time. Please kindly ensure your connectivity. You are in a good network.
Abhimanyu, Lokendra, and Vaibhav, all these people are not there. They've
Bharat,
left.
Umang is again out of the room.
See, if they lose time due to their network issues, we won't be able to get them again into the mentorship sessions. We have this limited time slot.
So actually, which room I will be assigned?
Sagar, there's a schedule, Garvit, there's an Excel sheet in the group. Kindly check that which mentor is allotted at what time to you.
Ma'am, we are having a session at 4:30.
Yeah, so till then you have to wait.
Okay, ma'am.
You can stay over here and can work on your ideas.
अच्छा गाइस, जिसको एक बार ब्रेकआउट रूम असाइन हो गया ना, उसको फिर नीचे ब्रेकआउट का ऑप्शन दिखता रहेगा। तो आपको जो भी रूम असाइन हुआ है, आप हमें ना बोलते हुए खुद डायरेक्टली भी उसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। ठीक है। मिस प्राची, मिस आयुषी, काइंडली चेक जो अगले स्लॉट में लोग हैं, वो लोग आ गए हैं या अभी तक नहीं आए हैं।
जी भैया।
कौन सी 2 टीम्स हैं जिनको अभी तक अलॉट नहीं हुआ था? एक तो अजिंक्य की टीम है ना?
And one is Ronak's team.
One is Ronak's team. Okay.
Bharat, I can't see the response in the form.
Guys, I think we need IT support.
Yes, sir. I'm just calling them.
Sir, what is the issue exactly?
We came back from our breakout room to this room automatically.
Yes, sir. Actually, breakout room is set for a timer 20 minutes, out of which 15 minutes are allotted to all the teams for mentorship sessions.
Right. Okay.
There's a break for 5 minutes, and then you'll be getting again the request with another teams.
Okay. Okay. Got it. So 5 minutes
Yes,
break. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Whatever you were winding up, you can just tell me. I will inform the team if possible.
I think they got the drift that they need to change it to a art company and consumer company rather than an interior.
Yes, sir. I have noted that point.
Yeah, okay.
That's it, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Volunteers, kindly ensure that the participants for second slots are ready.
Yes, Bharat.
And all the participants, kindly ensure all the team members are present over here.
Satish sir has, I guess, left the session. Kindly check, Harshika.
Okay, I'm checking. Actually, he's having some network issue.
Okay, all right.
Please let me know once it starts.
Sir, I'm sending you a request to join again the second slot room.
Acha, okay.
Bharatya, kindly please check a message I have sent to you.
Sure.
Thank you. Satish sir is rejoining. He faced some network issue.
No issues, no issues.
Okay.
Is Rhythm here? Rhythm, Garima, Dhruv, Dimpy.
Bharat, what is the problem with the screen sharing option? Because we faced issue regarding that and we got late also.
Okay, Mohin sir, are you there?
I have already allowed
Yes,
that
I'm here.
option.
Sir, kindly check
Actually,
why this issue is coming.
actually, the first team faced a problem and then I have to share the screen. That's not the issue, but I request you if possible, please on it.
Naveen, Ojasvi, Shailendra, Ayush,
Give
are
me
you
a
guys
second.
there?
Give me a second. Let me check.
Yes, we're here.
Okay. Shailendra is not here. Kindly ensure Naveen. Okay. Sending you again the request for breakout rooms.
Bharat, you're talking about the screen sharing, right?
Yes, sir.
Now check and inform me. I give the
Sure,
right,
sir.
only one person can be share their screen in a single room.
Okay, no issue, sir. Okay, rooms 2, 3, 4. Is anyone from room 2, 3, 4 here?
Yes.
Sahil Verma. Sahil, your session is in room number 5.
Okay, can
I'll
you
get you added, no
can you
issues.
send me?
Yeah. Sahil, Nikhil, and Karthike. All right, done. Karthike is not here. And Nikhil and Sahil have been allotted.
Room 6 may kindly check. There is no team over there.
Okay, do we have Ronak in team right now? Or Ajinkya in team right now?
Okay, I think we do have. Let me call.
Bhaiya, I guess Ajinkya is here, but not Ronak.
Ajinkya, where's your team? Is it here?
Yes, Bhaiya, my team is here.
Okay. Who are the members, Ajinkya?
Bhaiya, me and Sheers.
And the third
And
member?
Fahad Alam, sir.
Okay. You've been added to room number 6. Kindly join in. Prachi, kindly call Fahad sir for joining in.
Okay, Bhaiya.
And what about Satish sir?
When I called him, he said he's facing some network issue and the screen is showing reconnecting.
Okay. Rhythm has got the request. Dimpy has got the request. And Garima and Dhruv, both of them are not here. Okay. All rooms set for the second sessions. Kindly set your timers for 15 minutes. Aishadi, did you check with the mentors?
Yeah, they said yes.
Okay, all right, great.
Sagar sir need extra 5 minutes for the rest in between after 5:30. So I
Okay,
said,
no
okay,
issues.
sir,
I guess
I
Satish
have-
sir is here.
Yes, Satish sir is there. Yeah, he's there. I admitted him.
He has left again, I guess.
No, he's joining. I have allowed him.
But he is not joined yet. Okay. Breakout room is a trouble.
Yeah, Fawad sir is joining.
Okay. Fahad sir has been allotted room number 6. Okay. Satish sir, you might have got the request for room number 1.
So,
Okay, he has
yes,
joined.
he's there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Garima
I'm
is here.
just-
Garima, you're a team member of Rhythm, right? They're in room number 1. Okay. Kindly join in the room number 1.
Bharat, I'm just checking out all the rooms if are working properly. Okay.
Yeah. Ayushi, check with the Ronak's team. We'll be allotting them session after 5:30. And I have already allotted one session to Ajinkya. So I guess we are sorted.
Bharat,
Yes, Komaldi.
in room number 6 there is this confusion. वहाँ पे ईश्वर, पलाश, तनिष्क और आयुषी होने चाहिए थे.
नहीं एक्चुअली ईश्वर भैया वाला 2 बार आ गया था नाम. तो ईश्वर भैया को अपन ने उनकी फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस पे भेज के एंड रिदम फहद सर वाली टीम को अपन ने रूम नंबर 6 में भेजा है. सागर कटवा सर के साथ अजिंक्य टीम.
ओके फाइन.
भरत, मुझे भी किसी टीम में सेंड कर दो ना.
आशुतोष आपका अभी शायद सेशन ही नहीं है.
सेशन मेरे को रिपोर्टिंग करनी है ना.
ओके सॉरी. ठीक है सर. आशुतोष को भी को होस्ट बना दीजिए. वो भी रूम स्विच कर सकते हैं ताकि. मोइन सर.
यस भरत.
सर आशुतोष को को होस्ट बना दीजिए.
एंड कुमकुम.
आशुतोष एंड कुमकुम.
ओके.
4:30 I'll be closing this session.
Bharat, I told Ronak to kindly join this session if any session got free in between, so she can call her team members as well. But I have informed her after 5:30.
You've asked Ronak to join in?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah, because I said she can be here if any slot got free in between due to some other team has not joined. So she can inform her team members and we can give a slot in between if possible.
Okay. Hi Ronak, you there?
Ronak?
Ronak, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. Due to, I guess, some technical glitch, you were not allotted the slot. But we have spoke to a mentor, so one mentor would be allotted to you. Around 5:30, he'll be taking up your session.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Actually, not one, but at two. Satish sir and Sagar sir. So 15
Okay.
minutes, 2 sessions.
Okay. Great.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So,
Yes,
Bharat,
sir.
Bharat, please give me 5-minute time.
Ji, sir.
Please give me 5-minute time. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
आयुषी थी.
हाँ प्राची.
एक बार व्हाट्सएप चेक करना.
Just a second. Bharat? Bharat,
Anji.
I'm taking screenshot. Can you please turn on your
Okay.
camera? Done with the course? Is anyone else want to join us?
Okay. Prachi and Kevin. अच्छा Kevin भी participate कर रहा है. Prachi,
Looking
kindly
at
ensure कि जिनका third session है ना वो लोग join कर लिए हैं या नहीं, है ना?
ओके ये अभी तो कोई भी नहीं है।
भरत सामने
Third
देखो।
session में अर्श गार्गी. हाँ जी.
Smile please.
Done. तो काइंडली इंश्योर कि अर्श, गार्गी, खुशी, गौरी, सिमरन, तन्वी, युवराज, अनुराग, ईश्वर भैया की टीम अभी है, तनिष्क की टीम भी शायद अभी है.
I want to ask you one thing. Bharat, I have joined the breakout rooms. I am able to see 4 people at a time. Is it like settings in my Zoom or in this?
Yeah, it is for you. You can change the view in the settings.
Okay. And how do I do that? I'm not able to find it. Already 25 participant screen is there in the settings. It's only for the breakout room.
We need Sonali, Harmeet, Yash, these are already there. Ayushi, did you note the timings? When did this start breakout room?
At 5:10. No, 4:10.
4:10.
I think so.
Okay. So
Yeah, 4:10.
$4:30 I'll close the room, and 4:35 or 40 will start the game. Start
Yes,
it again.
we can like reduce the in between time of 5 to.
You have the list, right?
4
Ayushi, you have the
Yeah,
list.
yeah.
Okay, so do one thing. For Mr. Aryan, Mr. Samir, and Mr. Sagar, do the allocation, and I'll do it for the other 3 mentors. So it will.
I can do with the unassigned participants only, no?
Yeah, once I create the room, do with the participants. Like if there are unassigned participants, you can get them into the room.
Okay.
It will take 2 or 3 minutes for me to create the rooms with all this speakers in it. Okay.
So can't we do one thing instead of closing the room after every
We cannot
20 minutes?
directly switch. There's no option. We could have gone with the Meet option. That would be a better option. That could be a better option.
Komal, are you not taking the screenshots? Tawadi and media team.
गाइस जितने भी लोग हो प्लीज समझ कर रहे हैं काम के बीच में.
Kevin, your network is not stable. I'm checking out the rooms. Okay.
Naveen, you and your team have done with the one session, right? The first mentorship session.
No, both. I'm done with both actually.
Okay, you're done with both the sessions.
Yes, yes, no.
All right. So, did you face any issue apart from the timer issue? Like other than that?
No issues. No issues at all.
And was the time sufficient, or did you feel it is
No,
less?
no, it was definitely sufficient.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I can leave now, right?
Yeah, you can leave. After that, we'll be having networking session around 5:30. So I guess this would stretch up to that, and we would directly be starting with the MVP workshop.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Ursh, is your team ready? Ursh, Gargi, Khushi.
Yes, bhaiya, we are.
All right, all right. Gauri, Simran, Tanvi, is your team ready? Yuvraj, Anurag. Okay. Shurvaya's team is already ready, and we have
Bharat,
Hazy.
kindly do not allow the participants if their whole team is not available. I have in the room 2 rooms, and they have only 2 participants over there. They do not have their team over there. And one team, a member of Sonali and Yash have not attended any session till yet. Harmeet.
Okay. So are they into a breakout room or not?
Yeah, they are already into a breakout room, Sonali and Yash. Their partner Harmeet has not attended any of the session yet. And Sahil and Nikhil's partner Karthik is also not there. So from next time, please tell them that you will not, after breakout rooms got over. So please tell them that we will not allow you to join the rooms. And we will remove you from the rooms.
Okay, okay, okay.
Because
So
it
I'm
will not
closing the
look,
breakouts room in 1 minute.
because it does not look good.
Yeah, I do understand. No issues. Okay. Ronak, is your team ready? We have a session vacant, so I can place your team there.
Yes, sir, our team is ready.
Who all are the participants? Kindly name them.
Astha, Vanshika, Mahima, Ritika, and Ronak.
Just a second. Astha, Anshika,
Mahima,
Mahima, and
Vanshika, Ritika, Astha.
Mahima.
Mahima, Ronak, I think you have sent me the wrong names then. Astha Mahima. Okay, her name is Astha Mahima. Oh, okay, Ronak, Astha Mahima, Ritika, and Vanshika.
Yeah.
There's no comma over there.
Yeah, I'm so sorry about that.
It's okay, no issue. Because sometimes people do have like used the fathers and
Yeah,
mothers.
double name it
guys,
can be.
guys, let me confirm. Ritika, Astha, Vanshika, Mahima, and Ronak, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So I'll be placing you with Aryan Singh, sir. Is that okay?
Yes, it's all right.
All right.
So we do not have Tanish, Ishwar, Ayushi, and Kalash over here.
They have been. I guess there is a typo error by our team, so they have been allotted 2 sessions at one time.
Okay, so I'll be assigning them Aryan sir. No issue.
Assign Aryan Singh sir to Ronak's team, and Sonali, Harmeet, Yash would be with Sameer Jaiswal sir.
Just ask Sonali first to call Harmeet, otherwise they'll not allowed to do any session. They have
Take the mentorship session anyway. They won't be pitching it finally, right? So let them take the mentorship, and then we won't be allowing them.
No,
For the
he told me that he will also not there at the pitching session as well. He has not attended the ice breaking session and any session, and he called us and asking questions.
All right. Gauri, Simran, Tanvi, Yuvraj, Anurag. Is any one of you here? Prachi, kindly call Gauri.
Bhaiya, Gauri isn't here. Yeah, I'll call.
Yeah.
I'm also here.
Garvit, Abhimanyu, is your team ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, all right. Hello again, everyone. We'll be taking a break of 5 minutes and then we'll be moving on to the third mentoring session.
Okay.
Participants, do not leave the meeting once you're assigned a room.
Volunteers to inform us if all the members are not present in the mentoring session.
Okay, dear.
Yes.
In first session, Karthike joined late, and in second, Rhythm
Not there.
because of some
It's
emergency.
okay. You can message on the WhatsApp group. I think Suraj, in your session there was one person was missing, and in
Yes,
one
yes.
more session, Sahil and
In
Nikhil.
my session also, I think one was not
In
there.
my
It's Karthik.
and in my session also with Saket for first session, Devendra
It's
Singh
okay.
was
Kindly inform in the group, please. Okay. If
right.
anything happens.
Yes, and my first session, Shailendra was not there.
Okay.
Suraj? Yeah, okay.
Okay, I've assigned the rooms to volunteers and mentors. Teams would be assigned soon. Gauri, Simran, Tanvi is not there. Yuvraj and Anurag have been assigned. Anurag again is not there. Ishwar Bhaiya, you had your session with? Ishwar Bhaiya, are you there?
Aryan sir.
Bharat Bhaiya, we had a session with Saurabh sir.
Okay, all right. So you already had your session with Saurabh sir. I am assigning you Aryan Singh sir.
No, Aryan Singh sir has a session with Ronak's team. Bharat?
Okay, exchange it for Saurabh Sahu sir's mentorship, and Ishwar Vardhan sir will be going. Ishwar Vardhan Bhaiya will be going to Aryan Singh sir. Kindly exchange the participants.
With Saurabh Sahu sir.
Yeah, with Saurabh Sahu sir. Place Ronak's team to Saurabh Sahu sir.
Okay. Vanshika is not there.
They kindly assign room number 6 quickly.
Oh, who's room number 6 is Sagar Kapla sir. Okay, just a second. Mayank is not there. Tushant is also not there.
Who has joined with the ID 1+ Nod?
No one is there except him. Oh, sorry. Shit, I have. How to remove a person from a room?
You cannot remove them. You can just exchange them for another.
No, Hemendra do not have any session, and I. Okay.
Wait,
No,
Ayushi,
he
I
won't be
can
joining.
myself. Wait a while.
Yeah.
Fine now?
Okay, so all the participants have been assigned, right? Is there anyone who has left? Who had session in slot 3 and have not been assigned yet? Is there anyone?
Yeah, yes, Jane.
Yes, Jane, you are in which team? Okay, with
Sonali's
Sonali and Harmeet.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might have got the request now. Anybody else? Abhimanyu is not speaking. He's there. Okay.
Why has not anyone joined from the team for the Sagar Search session? Garvit, Abhimanyu, Vaibhav, Shinal, and Lokendra.
Vaibhav and Lokendra have not joined. No issues. Other members are there.
Oh.
All right. Timer starts now.
Is anyone left just for slaughter, but they have not assigned them?
Guys, kindly rename yourself with your original name, OnePlus Nod and welcome. Who have joined just now.
Welcome and OnePlus Node. Kindly rename, otherwise we have to remove you from the meeting and you can't join again. Then
Excuse me,
from
ma'am.
the same ID. Yes.
Ma'am,
who's this?
Anurag Singh, ma'am, can you add me in a Gauri Bhaiti team? Actually, ma'am.
All
I
right,
have joined
Anurag,
late.
I'll add you. No issues,
Okay,
no
okay.
issues. I'll add you.
Thank you.
We are done with both the sessions, so can we leave the meeting?
Yeah, Nikhil, you can leave.
Okay.
We'll be having MVP session at 6 p.m. So kindly join on time for that.
And
Okay,
before that, we do have networking session as well, so you need to join at 5:30.
Anurag, I have added to room number.
On the same link.
Mr. Bharat?
Yeah, who's there?
Jayashree here.
Yeah, Jayashree.
Yeah, actually, I was assigned into a room, but Saurabh sir wasn't here and wrong participants were there. So I think there was some technical issue.
Okay, you are with Saurabh sir, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Saurabh sir is already. Okay, no one has joined room number 3. Okay. Let me check once. The participants are right. Ask them to join again. Ronak's team is there. Ronak, Mahima, Vanshika,
Yes, sir.
Asta, and Ritika. This team will be joining in with Saurabh sir right now.
Okay. Okay.
Kindly coordinate, Jayashree.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Saurabh sir is already there. Kindly join in quickly, Jayashree.
Can you give me that
You
request
might
again?
You might see the breakout room option down there in the options. Check.
No, I do not have that option because I left.
Okay,
the
no
room.
issues. I'll send you a request for room number 1
Yeah, I
first,
got it.
and then we'll shift
No,
you
I
to
got
room number 3.
I got room number 1.
Done.
Yeah, I got it. Okay.
I am in with. Oh.
Who's this? Saurabh sir.
Saurabh sir.
Can you
Okay,
please add?
Saurabh sir, you have joined with 2 IDs, I guess.
Yes, because.
All right, I have assigned
कुछ
you
issue
room
होता
number
है.
3, sir.
Yes.
Done.
Okay.
Okay. All rooms.
So I think we do not need the extra time now. But
No, we do not need the extra time now. The participants have already got the mentoring.
So we'll convey this message through the meeting only.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have not added me. Anurag Singh.
We asked you welcome
Anurag, I
to
did add you.
kindly
Do not
change.
leave. No issues. I have assigned you room number 2.
No, Bharat, he is from the ID welcome.
No issues. He's running out of time, so we'll check that
Okay.
later. You are with Gauri's team, right, Anurag?
Yes, sir.
Assign
How
you
do
room
we
number
know
2.
that?
Kindly join in quickly.
Bharat, how do we know that? Who is the other person?
Even we cannot afford the loss of time, right?
Can't.
So that's
Yeah.
okay. We can bear with them.
Prachi, we are still there.
Kevin, repeat, please. Your voice is breaking.
Kevin, did you get a mentorship session or no?
No, I'm in the last round at 5 to 5:20 wala last
All right.
round.
No issues. Okay, Prachi, kindly ensure Anushka, Yash, Akash, Umang, Gaurav, Apur, Hemendra Bhaiya, Mayank, Tushar, Deepanshu, Yashideep, Kevin, Divyansh, these all are present for the next session. We'll be starting off that session.
I guess some of them are in breakout room.
Okay. No issues then.
Prachi, I'll ask my team to join as fast as they can.
Okay, thank you, Kevin.
Our team is here. Just ask Anushka, Yash, and Akash to join in. Rest, everybody is here in the meeting. Prachi.
Anushka, Akash, and Yash. Okay,
Yeah.
Bhaiya. Aishati, there's a participant, Anushka. She has she has next session and her phone is switched off, and also she's not in the meeting.
Anushka.
अनुष्का के बाकी दोनों टीममेट्स हैं अभी सेशन में, यश एंड आकाश. Okay, so did you ask what is the issue exactly with Anushka?
I've tried to reaching to her, but not.
Okay, and Akash, is he here?
No, Bhaiya, he's in here, but I called him. He said he will join at 5.
Ask him to join before 5, because at the end moment we would have to put them into the rooms, right?
Okay, I'll call him again.
Just to avoid the fuss, ask him to join prior to it. Akash and Yash, kindly ensure if Anushka can join with any other device, or else you would have to convey the learnings. Shrish, you've got one session, right? Or
one
Shrish,
session.
You've got one session, right?
Yes.
Okay. No issues. So for people who have received just one mentorship session, we have arranged 2 mentors after 5:30 also. So if you wish to receive mentorship from those 2 mentors, you can stay back and I'll allot you the rooms. Two teams, I guess, are facing the same problem, right? Kevin's team and Shrish's team.
Prachi, am I audible? I'm just checking with my connection and network.
Yes, Kevin, you're audible.
Is the network fine?
And you're also visible. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Welcome back, everybody. So we'll be having a break of around 10 minutes and then we'll be starting off with the next session.
The last team I had discussed.
Yes, sir.
The last team I had discussion with this fashion tech people.
Ronak,
yes, वो
is
लोग
it
है?
you?
Ronak, Mohima, are you guys there?
Asta. Let me call them.
Ritika, Astha, Vanshika, Mahima, and Ronak.
Mahima
कोई
is
नहीं है?
there, wasn't there. Vanshika wasn't there, Mr. Bharat. There were only 4 members.
Okay. So I guess they've left the meeting.
No issue. उनसे discussion थोड़ा short हो गया था, so I thought कि we can connect in some time. So please convey my message to them.
Yes, sir, I'm conveying your message to them.
Please share my email ID as well if they can, or my contact, if they can connect.
All right, sir.
Right. इनमें से फर्स्ट ईयर वाले कौन कौन है?
So like there are students out of our university as well from outside MIT.
ओके सॉरी, फर्स्ट ईयर एमिटी वाले कौन कौन है?
So, but most of them are from first year MIT only.
Yes, sir.
मतलब आप लोगों ने तो सिर्फ वर्चुअली ज्वाइन किया है, फिजिकली तो कुछ किया ही नहीं है एमिटी में।
सर बस 20 डेज के लिए गए थे।
हाँ सर, थोड़े से टाइम के लिए हमने ज्वाइन किया है।
1 month 20 days तक हम लोग थे अभी कैंपस में, बस इतना सा मतलब टाइम स्पेंड किया हमने अब तक।
यस सर, फिर वापस घर पर आ गए कोविड के रहते।
यार ये टाइम इज रियली टफ एंड एमिटी इज सच ए ब्यूटीफुल कैंपस। हम लोग तो काफी एंजॉय करते थे, बट आप लोगों का तो एक साल कैसे ही चला गया इन लॉकडाउन।
After your batch complete engineering density, population density got down, so
ऐसा?
तो उतना मजा नहीं था। Yeah.
Okay, what happened to that?
Like engineering completely got down and all other courses maybe उनका strength बढ़ गया।
Okay, सबसे ज्यादा तो इंजीनियरिंग में हुआ करता था, वो भी मैकेनिकल ईसी में।
या मैकेनिकल तो completely down। आपका बैच 170 some sort, आपका next batch भी 170, after that 25।
Oh,
see the difference, 150 drop।
shocking, yeah।
Same with even other branches of engineering, only CSE is surviving over there। I heard that इस बार admissions ज्यादा हुआ है, but people
हमारे टाइम पे इंजीनियरिंग एंड एमबीए ये तो फुल रहते थे, ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग वाज फुल। कुछ नई चीजें चालू हुई थी, आई गेस बीएचएम कुछ था वहां पे, वो
BHM just
राइट। सो बीजेएमसी में भी कम लोग थे, मास कम्युनिकेशन में। लॉ में ठीक थी कुछ पॉपुलेशन, बट
मैकेनिकल
राइट। So majorly, but engineering, MBA, ये लोग ही थे सर।
Sir, Ronak and team is here.
I'm here, Ronak Sahu. Yes.
हाँ, so I think हम लोगों का time short हो गया, so we can connect if you want to discuss something. So Ayushi will share our coordinates and we can connect.
Sure. Okay. Of course, sir. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Okay, so I've created the breakout rooms for the last session. Kindly join in.
Sure.
Bharat bhaiya, I'm getting a request for room 2.
Yeah, actually Sumit sir had to leave. He had an urgent meeting, so we had to remove one room. Therefore, you'll be getting room number -1.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bharat, it's asking me to join room 4, and from the past 3 sessions I was in room 5.
Yeah. I told you na, the new room number will be the previous room number -1.
Okay.
So for Ronak Sahu.
The team member of Anushka and Akash is Yash Modi or Yash Jain?
Yes, Modi.
Yash Modi, all right.
I guess my time slot is also started from 5 to 5:20.
Gauri's team members are not there.
Gauri, Simran, Tanvi.
Simran, Tanvi, Yuvraj, Anurag, I'm not able to find anyone.
Okay.
We can we leave?
No, just stay here only, please. No one is here. Should we give this session to another team? Bharat?
Yes, Miss Ayushi.
Only one member is there from Gauri's team for Sameer's session. So
Yeah, you
can
can
we?
you can allot this to some other team.
So you need to remove Gauri from room number 4 then. I've already allotted her the room number 4. You can
Call Gauri and ask her if her teammates are joining. We can allot them the room, and if not,
Prachi,
then
can you please call Gauri?
Yeah, Dee, I'll do that.
Otherwise, we'll give this session to Ronak. Or is anyone other team is left or should be? Yes, it's okay. So everyone is there.
Bharat, my team is here. I had a session
Yeah,
with
Umang,
Smith
your
Smith,
team is here.
yeah, from 5:25 to 5:20.
Miss Ayushi, kindly coordinate if
Umang's name is not there. Oh, Umang with Sumit sir. Okay. Sumit sir's session is not
Sumit
there.
sir has left actually. He had to go for an urgent meeting. So we would have to call off the session.
Prachi, have you called Gauri?
Dee, no, I can't find her number.
No issues. I am calling Gauri to main session, and you can
And-
allot this to Umang and team
Okay.
with
Umang?
Sameer sir, Sameer Jaiswal sir.
Okay,
Okay,
Sameer
is
sir,
anybody here who has not been allotted
Umang,
any
have
room?
you already taken the session with Sameer sir
yeah,
or not?
Sameer sir, session I've already taken.
Okay,
with
so I'm
Sameer sir.
allotting this session to. Is anyone else left?
Yeah, Sheesh Bhatnagar and my team.
Sirish Bhatnagar, have you already taken the session with the sir?
With
Sagar
Sameer sir.
sir.
Okay,
Sagar
With
sir.
Sameer
put
sir.
them with Sameer sir.
Okay, Shrish, can you tell me your like team member's name, please?
Yeah, Ajike Udapai
Just a second.
and
Just a
Fahad
second,
Alam.
Shrish.
Yeah.
Shrish, just a minute. Just a
Okay.
minute. Okay. Now tell me.
Ajinkya Upadhyay and
Ajinkya Upadhyay. Okay.
Fahad Alam.
Fahad Alam. Fahad is not there. Fahad is not there, Shrish.
Prachi, coordinate with Fahad and Ayushri. Add these two
Yes.
people with Sameer sir. He's
Okay.
waiting. Yeah. Why has Ajinkya joined room number 4?
I have not called him.
I have not joined yet.
Okay. All right.
Shrish, why have you? Okay. Yes. Okay. then.
Shall I
so
call
with whom
Fawad sir
my,
and ask him to join?
गौरव से बात हुई गौरी से
नहीं दी गौरी का तो
एक बार
नंबर
आप
नहीं
रूम
मिला
में जाके गौरी को बाहर बुला लो, रूम नंबर 4.
ओके
Okay.
Shall I call Fawad sir and ask him to
Yeah.
join?
Call Fawad sir and ask him to join room number 4. All others have been allotted the room. Is there anyone who has not been allotted?
Yeah, my team is not been allotted still because of the urgent meeting.
Umang will keep your team on hold. Yeah, Tanishq.
Our team is
You do not have a session scheduled right now.
Okay.
Okay. Is there anyone else who is left out?
Hello, sir. Yes, I left the room.
Yeah, Gauri, your team is not present here. We cannot let you take the mentorship session alone just.
So they are now present.
Okay. Have you allotted the room, Ayushri?
Yeah, I have already allotted the room and we can't do anything now.
Even Shirish Shirish
Bharat,
does
sir
not
is
have.
joining.
Bharat, where we have to go? Like, sir and I was there in the room 4, where
Okay.
Aishati also came.
So
But then,
Gauri, is your team ready? Gauri, is your team ready?
Yes,
no.
sir.
All right. If all the members are present, you can join room number 4 with Samir Jaiswal sir.
Gauri,
So just one of them, she's not here.
Okay, no issues. We can skip one of the member.
रूम 4 और रूम 5
Room 4, sir. Room 4.
ठीक है इनवाइट भेजो उसका
Just a second, sir.
हाँ आया मेरे को
Gauri, kindly join in with your team.
Yes.
In room number 4.
Yeah, you do not have any session. Now we need to remove.
No issues. I'll call Ajinkya to main session. Shivani, kindly join room number 4 quickly. Sir is already there. Yeah.
Excuse me, Aisha ma'am, I had a question. I had 2 mentor sessions. So
Yeah.
only 2 mentor sessions are allowed.
Yeah, 2 mentorship sessions are only allowed. It was informed in the beginning.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir.
You can leave now if you want. So you can rejoin at 5:30 for the networking session. If you have done with all the sessions.
What
Now
about my
Fahad
team?
Alam
If
What about our team?
the session will be going to
Ronak,
be today?
you have like 2 mentoring session or not?
You have had one, right? Ronak had already one session and will
Yes,
be
yeah,
giving
I just
another
had one,
session.
right?
Yeah, she'll be allotted another session
But
at
I'm okay with
5:30.
one.
Pardon?
Nothing, it's
Pardon, Ron.
all right.
Okay.
I was saying that I'm okay with one session.
All right, no issues then.
No
Okay.
issues, ma'am.
So if we have the place vacant, we can allot it to Umang and team.
We need one
Yeah.
more session.
Yeah. Umang will allot you the session. Okay, so I guess Simran is Gauri's teammate, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who else is in Gauri's team?
Tanvi, Yuvraj, Anurag.
Yuvraj is also here. Join room number 4.
Hello, Bharat.
Yes, Fahad.
I think my session is going on. So can you please connect
You are
me
in
to
which
them?
team? Mr. Fahad, you are
Shirish Bhatnagar.
Now
Ajinkya.
they do not have any session for hard because you all were not there. So we need to give that session to another team.
Okay, when will it be now? मुझे कहीं से जूस दिलवा दो.
No
You
issues.
can have your-
We'll be providing 2 sessions after 5:30. One will be for Shirish Bhatnagar's team, and other one is for Ajinkya's team, I guess. Or is it the same team?
It is the same team.
No, it's
they have
my
already
team.
taken.
Umang. All right. Shirish and Umang. These 2 teams will be getting another session at 5:30.
Ajinkya, have how many session you have already taken?
Just one.
Okay, we will provide you the session to Umang and Ajinkya. Suraj, you are free now. Okay. Take care over here. Komal, this is the last session, so you can take this session. Let's move.
Can we leave?
Ronak, do you want one more session? We can provide you with that at 5:30. If you want 5:30 or 5:45.
Saurabh sir was saying I didn't. I was unable to hear him.
Okay, we'll provide you his contact number and email ID. You can connect with him after the session.
Okay. So now we don't have to connect again.
You have to connect again at 5:30. We have networking session at 5:30.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Who will come to room number 1, please?
D. Ayushi.
Wait a second, Komal. Wait a second. Yes, Komal, you were saying something. Komal?
D, you said you asked me to come in the room number 1. I'm saying I'm no more like I don't have access.
You don't have access? You why you don't have? Okay, I'll take you with me. Okay.
Keshav, Preeti, all set for networking session?
Yes, sir.
ओके उमंग और श्रीश, आप दोनों की टीम्स का एक एक जो सेशन बाकी रहता है उसके लिए आपको एक अलग से लिंक प्रोवाइड हो जाएगा गूगल मीट का, उसको ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा एंड बाकी सब लोग यहाँ रुक जाइएगा नेटवर्किंग सेशंस के लिए आफ्टर द ब्रेकआउट रूम क्लोजेस. मंजू मैम इज हियर.
Okay, in WhatsApp itself?
Yes, Umang.
Okay, thank you.
All right, I'm closing the breakout rooms in 1 minute.
Bharat, all our panelists, all our participants or panelists here also?
Ma'am, this is a meeting format, so there's no such thing as panelist and attendee.
Okay.
Everybody can speak.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, everyone will be joining in 20 seconds. The rooms are closing.
Okay.
Uma, please text your team member's name along with your name personally to me, and Ajinkya, you as well.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Gauri?
Sir, did the rooms close?
Yeah,
Or
the
they
rooms are
have-
closed. Yeah, rooms are closed. Harshika, kindly continue.
Okay, so thank you all of you for joining and especially our mentors for guiding all the participants. And now I would like to call Mrs. Manju Kaushik ma'am for her vote of thanks. So ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Harshika. Thank you, Sameer sir. Saurabh.
Thank you.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay. Thank you all. आपने स्टूडेंट्स को इतना मोटिवेट किया और इतना टाइम जो अपना वैल्यूएबल टाइम दिया एमआईटी यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट्स को, उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच सर. सर एक चीज बस मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि आपको कैसा रिस्पांस मिला है, मतलब आपका क्या फीडबैक है हमारे स्टूडेंट्स का की तरफ से?
I really liked. It seems that they have been working on it for quite a long time. So especially 1 or 2 projects I really liked, and I really wish they take it ahead.
And सौरभ जी हैं यहाँ पर?
yes ma'am.
सौरभ, आपका कैमरा अगर एक बार ऑन हो जाता तो हम आपको देख लेते.
मेरा कैमरा ऑन है मैम.
यहाँ ओके. हाँ सौरभ, आपसे तो पहले भी मुलाकात हुई थी अपने उसमें एल्यूमिनाई उसमें. कैसा है स्टूडेंट का कुछ?
So the projects they are doing and the collaborative approaches are there. So what happens if the students come across और ये जो co-creation की बात हम जो कर रहे हैं मैम, so student co-creation and promoting student startup innovations, So this is something which is need abhi सारे universities में सारे campuses में this has to be done, and thanks to the team who has organized this beautiful program, और लोग जो यहाँ पे present किए हैं they come up with very good ideas, so implement करना उनको, and exactly they are trying to solve a lot of problems which this day-to-day basis the people are facing. Some have presented in medical, and some presented in the fashion industries. So this is I guess a very good initiative, and we should continue this to collaborate with the students and provide them a platform so that they can execute their ideas and get it into the next level, so that the Amity ECEL can support in their every steps. And I'm always will be there because I have been a part of an ECEL as well since its founding days, so I'll always be there to support them.
Thank you. Thank you so much सभी mentors, judges जो भी यहाँ आए हैं, आपने टाइम दिया है हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को, हमें थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। और हम उम्मीद करेंगे कि फ्यूचर में भी आपसे हमें और हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को इसी तरह से मोटिवेशन मिलता रहेगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
Definitely. Thank
you, ma'am. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. And I would once again like to thank all the mentors, Mr. Satish Gautam sir, Mr. Sumit Srivastav, Mr. Saurabh Sahu, Mr. Sagar Katwa, Mr. Sameer Jaiswal, and Mr. Aryan Singh for their guidance to our participants. And I would like to inform all the participants to stay back in the meeting for networking and fun session, and rest all can.
सागर हैं यहाँ पर, एक बार मैं मिलना चाह रही थी उनसे भी।
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है स्टूडेंट्स के साथ?
Ma'am, it was a quite good experience. 4 or 5 years back, I was at the same place where students are being part of Amity Jaipur. I also once went out to ECEL to pitch my ideas, so I can relate that feeling a lot, and it was quite interesting for me to be here today.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Satish ji. Thank you. Thank you, Sagar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, all the mentors, for joining in for today. It was really delighting for us to have you on board. And now we'll be moving on to the the networking session. And Keshav, are you there? Keshav Rishi?
Yes, Bharat, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you can take over the session from now. And mentors, it is up to your wish if you want to stay with the networking session, and if you have any other commitment, you can also leave.
Thank you, Bharat. I'll just share my contact details, my email IDs here. If anyone want to connect me, they can definitely reach out to me for any kind of startup related queries. I'm connected to Pan India Startup Network, so I will try to help them out. If anything required from the government की तरफ से कुछ help चाहिए होगी, तो please let me know. I'm working with closely with Startup India as well, so please let us know if anyone is required.
Definitely, sir. It will be an honor for us.
Thank you, Bharat.
Okay.
Bharat, Aryan, Mr. Aryan नहीं आए अभी हैं?
मैम आर्यन सर ने शायद लेफ्ट कर दिया है, I guess.
हाँ, शायद वो नहीं है।
हाँ, yes, left.
और सुमित सर भी शायद।
सुमित सर की मैम एक मीटिंग आ गई थी, तो उन्हें थोड़ा जल्दी जाना पड़ा था, तो अब जो 2 सेशन उनके रहते हैं वो हम लोग अभी बाद में करेंगे। 5:30 के बाद में कंटिन्यू करेंगे अलग लिंक पे।
प्रियंका भी इवनिंग में ही आएंगी शायद, है ना?
She'll be joining by 6.
Okay.
In half an hour.
Okay. So good evening, everyone. My name is Keshav Rishi, and with me is my co-host
Preeti Mandal welcomes each and every one of you for the networking round.
I mean, guys, तुम लोग सब सुबह से इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो, काम कर रहे हो, थक तो गए होगे थोड़ा बहुत, right?
इसलिए we have decided to make this session interactive and have some networking activities. It will be fun and knowledgeable.
And since we only have half an hour, so let us brief you about our activities quickly and let's get started. So the first game we have come up for you guys is Extempore. Most of you might have already heard of this game, and for those who didn't, let me explain it a bit. You guys will be given a specific word, and you have to speak about it for a minute. You can say whatever comes to your mind. जरूरी नहीं है कि वो सही हो.
Also, it can be said in either of the languages, Hindi or English, but make sure when you choose once, you cannot swap the language. Like if you're choosing Hindi, you have to continue it in Hindi only, Shuddh Hindi. And if you choose English, you have to speak in fluent English. So are you guys ready?
Come on, guys.
Please switch on your cameras. And our first participant will be Yash Jain, and the topic is social media.
Okay, so social media, like social media is a platform where we get to connect with everyone. Like this is not a social media, but like Instagram and all these Facebook platforms gives us ideas. These are this social media apps where I can connect with my family, friends, and I can like show my talents. Like if I have a singing talent or a dance talent or something like that.
Can I stop you? You have to bring social media word again and again in your speech, and you have to speak faster. Okay. Like you have to speak anything, like social media is good, social media is bad, anything that comes to your mind, but speak faster and use the word social media again and again.
Social media is a way to connect with every people. Social media gives us a platform to dance or to sing. Social media is a way to like post our pictures and stuff. And social media is very like social media is very tempting. You have to go back to back again and again and keep scrolling again and again. Social media can get addictive sometimes. It can get addictive so much that you forget everything and you can start procrastinating with that. Social media is bad.
Thank you very much. You are awesome, bro. Okay. So as you seen Yash, you can follow his examples. So now I'm going to call our next participant, Arsh Khan. Arsh Khan, are you there? Arsh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just give me a minute.
Okay. Please turn your camera, Arsh.
Yes, sir. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. So your topic is flattery or chaploosi. So continue with it.
इसका तो मुझे मतलब नहीं पता actually.
Okay, I'll change the topic.
दिमाग में कुछ नहीं आ रहा.
No, I'll change it for you. Pizza.
Okay. Pizza. Okay. Pizza can make you fat. Pizza can make you more hungry. Pizza can make you pizza can also I actually don't know what to say.
You can say whatever comes to your mind. Like,
Okay.
You can continue.
Okay. Pizza is round. They can be triangle also. Pizza is tasty, and pizza is also sometimes, if not cooked, it's disaster. Also, pizza is I don't know.
All right. Thank you, Arsh. So the next participant that I'll choose is Nikhil Pawar, and the topic is door or darwaza. Nikhil, are you here? Nikhil, can you hear me? All right. So the next one is Akshit Goyal. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you right.
All right. So your topic is door or darwaza. Continue with it.
What kind of topic are you finding that?
It can be anything. So continue.
दरवाजा रेक्टेंगल होता है, दरवाजा बड़ा होता है, छोटा होता है। दरवाजा एक रास्ते को बंद कर सकता है, एक रास्ते को खोल सकता है। Basically anything.
You have to tell for 1 minute, 1 whole minute.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Door has a knob, door has a lock. Door can be made up of steel, wood, and any material. I guess 1 minute is over.
It wasn't. All right. Thank you. So the next one is Yash Modi. Can you hear me? Yash? Yash?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. So your topic is Rasmalai.
Can you repeat the topic?
Rasmalai.
Rasmalai, okay. Rasmalai, I love Rasmalai. I can eat 5 to 10 Rasmalai one time. Nobody have seen dry Rasmalai. When you see Rasmalai for a long time, it brings water in your mouth. Kya bolu? Rasmalai are mainly sold in sweet shop. They are sweet.
All right. Your 1 minute is over. And now the next participant is Sheersh Bhatnagar. Sheersh, can you hear me? Sheersh. Okay, Gargi Singla. Gargi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right, so your topic is 2020. 2020.
Can something else be worse than that? Okay, 2020. 2020, initially it was good, but when it came later, the stage, at the later stage, 2020 was worse, but 2021 is like a disaster of 2020 even. And 2020 is also a term used in cricket, I guess. Yes, it is. Okay, 2020 and what else? 2020, 2 numbers, 2020. That's all.
All right, thank you. The next participant is Ishwar. Can we have Ishwar? Ishwar, can you hear me? Ishwar, you aren't audible.
I was out for some time, so क्या हो रहा है मुझे पता नहीं है अभी
All right. यहाँ पे activity चल रही है. I'll give you a topic and आपको उस topic पे बोलना है. For suppose it's Goa, so you have to say like Goa is the place I want to go. And
okay, some 5 to 6 sentences of that.
हाँ, and उस जो भी आप बोल रहे हो उसमें Goa repeat होना चाहिए. Okay?
Okay.
Right. So your topic is
हिंदी शब्द कुछ मत देना.
Yeah, Hindi, English, it can be anything. लेकिन if you choose English, so it should be fluent.
No, I was telling you that don't give me any Hindi word because I don't know Hindi.
All right. Okay, cool. So your topic is chemistry.
Chemistry, yeah, that's a nice thing. I don't understand why we need to study MPC like chemistry in class 12 so that we get admission in IITs. मुझे अब तक ये समझ में नहीं आया था. केमिस्ट्री ने मेरा इतना प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट किया ना, केमिस्ट्री की वजह से ही मैंने हटक गया. केमिस्ट्री में 8 मार्क मिलने था. They were asking 8 marks for as cut-off mark, and I got 4 marks. Remaining all subjects was nice. Chemistry में organic chemistry. क्यों भाई इतना होता है organic chemistry? क्या करूँ इतना पढ़ के? हवा में इतने चलते रहता है.
घास मत निकाल भाई.
हाँ. Who is here?
Yeah, chemistry is interesting for those who want to make it, but मेरा तो chemistry में interest नहीं है.
Okay.
Thank you.
Time is up. Thank you. So our next participant is Palash. Palash, can you hear me?
Yes.
Your topic is Sandeep Maheshwari.
कौन है संदीप महेश्वरी जिसकी लोग वीडियो देखते रहते हैं? कौन है संदीप महेश्वरी जिससे लोग मोटिवेशन लेते रहते हैं? कौन है संदीप महेश्वरी जिसके वीडियोस देखते हैं लोग ब्रेकअप के बाद? कौन है संदीप महेश्वरी जिसके लिए लोग एग्जाम में फेल होने के बाद देखने चले जाते हैं? मेरे को तो आज तक समझ नहीं आया उसके मोटिवेशन। उसके शब्द तो बिल्कुल मेरे माँ बाप जैसे होते हैं, उसके शब्द तो बिल्कुल मेरी बहन जैसे होते हैं। उससे तो मुझे आज तक कोई मोटिवेशन मिला नहीं। कौन है ये संदीप महेश्वरी? मेरे को आज तक समझ आया नहीं।
Thank you, Palash. It was
ये वाला बढ़िया था।
so far. And our next participant is Nikhil Pawar. Are you here? Can you hear me? Okay, Tushant Agarwal. Tushant. Tushant, can you hear me? Can we have Dimpy Jindal? Dimpy?
Yes.
All right. So your topic is chocolates.
I actually have just started joined this meet now, so I don't know what is happening in this.
So there's this game. I'll give you a topic, and you have to speak about that specific topic for 1 minute. For example, I give you Goa. So फिर आपको 5-6 sentences बोला in 1 minute, and Goa should get repeated. Likewise, your topic is chocolate. So continue with it.
Chocolate should be repeated in each and every sentence.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there are various type of chocolate. Some like dark chocolate, some like sweet chocolate, and I don't know what is there about sweet dark chocolate, but sweet chocolates are always sweet, and so it should be people should like the sweet chocolates only. And there are various types of chocolates, crunchy chocolate, and other kind of melted chocolate. And what should I tell about chocolate more? I think
All
that's
right.
it.
All right, your time is up. Thank you.
Okay.
And now our next participant is, can we have Ayushi Agarwal?
It's me.
It is interactive session.
Okay, actually, I don't know the rules. Please, can you explain?
Okay, so if I give a specific topic, you have to speak about it for 1 minute. And आपको वो जो भी topic है वो repeat होने चाहिए आपकी speech. Okay, so your topic is छोले भटूरे.
Chole bhature?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it bilingual or I need to speak in a particular language?
No, if you choose Hindi, you'll have to continue it in Hindi. If you choose English, so continue it in English.
Either should Hindi or should English.
Okay.
Direct tracking कर रहे हो? Precious.
हाँ जाने वाले हैं ना इसलिए. ओके तो छोले भटूरे बहुत भारी होते हैं नाश्ते के लिए. छोले भटूरे पंजाबी खाना है. छोले भटूरे में सबसे ज्यादा तेल होता है. छोले भटूरे सबसे ज्यादा स्वादिष्ट होते हैं. छोले भटूरे एक ऐसा नाश्ता है जो हर जगह मिलता है और कम पैसे में ज्यादा पेट भर सकता है. छोले भटूरे अगर आपके पास खाने का कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है तो छोले भटूरे हमेशा होते हैं. छोले भटूरे बनाने में बहुत मेहनत लगती है, बट छोले भटूरे खाने के बाद भी जो हालत खराब होती है वो भी बहुत बुरी हो जाती है. ज्यादा छोले भटूरे खाने से भी तबीयत खराब हो जाती है. और छोले भटूरे ज्यादा खाने से आपका आई डोंट नो कोलेस्ट्रॉल को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं.
हिंदी
छोले भटूरे हमेशा होते हैं. भरत किधर होते हैं छोले भटूरे?
Anyways, your time.
हमारे तो नहीं मिलते
हो गया.
So the next participant is
छोले भटूरे हमेशा नाश्ते में होता है, टेस्टी होता है, स्वादिष्ट होते हैं भरत.
Can we have Kevin?
Bharat ka Preeti, can you please take Bharat as well?
I'll take
After
Bharat
Kevin?
बाद में. No,
हाँ.
after Kevin. Kevin,
After Kevin.
Kevin, can you hear me?
Am I audible? Is my network fine?
All right. So your topic is
Yeah,
Golgappe.
I can hear you. What?
Golgappe.
Guys, can you please turn on your cameras?
Yeah.
Please.
See,
It will be
I
more
guess
interactive
most of
session.
participants over here are hungry from the morning, and you are asking stuff like that to us. Very fine.
We do have this session because after this also they have a session. So for relaxing their mind,
Yeah.
this session is for that only.
Okay. So Golgappe are like a very nice food, which I personally love, and I haven't eaten in a month or two. So I'm missing it very badly. I mostly like spicy Golgappe, and
It is
yeah,
water
that
balls.
is something.
It is water balls.
It is
Water
water
balls,
balls
not
or
Golgappe.
Golgappe.
Water
Nahi,
balls.
Golgappe. Then
Nahi, you are
puchka
telling
bhi,
it
you
in
can't call it
English.
as a puchka also.
Let
No,
him
no,
speak.
no, no.
Let him speak.
Not fair, huh?
Go ahead, Kevin.
What else?
Hurry up.
I like water balls with dahi also. They are nice.
Dahi hindi hai.
Don't laugh like that, Amshit.
It's curd.
Okay, what else is there? Yeah, that much only.
All right.
Fail.
All right.
You
Thank
fail.
you, Kevin. Now, can we have Mr. Bharat Menwal?
Okay, no. Now next should be Preeti Di. No, not fair. Next should be Preeti Di.
No.
Okay, next is Preeti. And her
No, not
word.
fair. Now you got Ayushi Di. You should be also there.
Preeti,
Okay,
your
so
word
next
is
person
Topic
is
is MET.
next
So next
person is
person
Miss
is
Preeti.
Mr. Bharat Nenwani.
Nee.
So Bharat Nenwani, please.
Next person is
Preeti,
Miss
can you
Preeti,
give-
and she'll be speaking about.
flattery, chaplusi. She will be speaking on chaplusi. And you have to speak in
Mr.
Hindi.
Bharat, please.
No. I have a better topic. How about winding up? So she can speak about winding up in next 1 minute, and we have another session scheduled.
No,
at
can we
6:10.
have yours on the last and then we'll wind up? Please, please.
Yeah, so
Yes.
Okay. All right.
So your topic is Dalgona coffee.
Okay, guys. The session was awesome. And now we are going to wind up. And this marks the end of our networking session. Hope you all had as much fun as we did during this session. So can you all just unmute yourself and clap for yourself for just 1 minute?
Please unmute yourself, everyone.
And clap yourself, please. It was a good offer.
तो
Guys,
टीम वाले
खुद के
बजा
लिए
रहे हैं
तालियां
क्योंकि
बजानी है,
पार्टिसिपेंट में से एक
खुद
भी नहीं
के
दिखा है
लिए।
मुझे अभी तक
सारे भाग गए शायद, मुझे कोई नहीं दिख रहा।
Arshad,
Please switch
very
on your
good.
cameras.
तो participant
Guys, we know we are online and virtual. It doesn't mean कि आप clap भी sticker के साथ करो.
So, Bharat,
Okay, so guys, thank you so much for joining us for this session. You all are really very wonderful, and we love to network with you all, connect with you all, and also can we drop in our LinkedIn IDs so that we can be connected for a longer time?